Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another daily work from home job lead. Not only does this company have a very high rating, but this one sounded kind of cool. It sounds like you might get to play games from time to time and get paid for it. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask, job leads have not been the best today. I am still on the hunt, but feel free to leave in the comments down below anything specific that you're looking for that might help me out in finding the perfect job leads just for you. But today's job lead is from the company Know Before, kind of like know before you do something. It is an information technology company. They have 1.1 thousand reviews on Glassdoor, and not only do they have a lot of reviews, they also have a great rating coming in at 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a QA or quality assurance content review specialist. Now this is remote for the United States. Now like I said, Know Before is a security technology company. They are the provider of the world's largest security awareness training and simulated phishing platform that is used by tens of thousands of organizations around the world. They are basically looking for somebody to audit their courseware content for quality assurance, making sure that the company is consistently delivering high quality, engaging, and best-in-class products to its customers. So they give training to their customers. So you're going to be tasked with auditing their training and courseware content. This is going to mean sitting through the courses and taking them yourself, watching videos, playing games, and reading newsletters. And then you're going to make sure and verify that the quality assurance purposes, you'll identify any areas of improvement for those things that you are watching and reviewing, and provide your feedback and training to the courseware staff so they can correct and update anything. You'll test and assess whether the content complies with the courseware standards and the style guide. You'll formulate decisions and provide approvals related to the usability and validation process of the content, and you'll review and edit scripts, descriptions, storyboards, and any other deliverables. Now, it says they do require a bachelor degree in English. It says, or comparable experience. So if you have a lot of experience, you may not need that degree. That is the only downfall to this job. They're looking for somebody who's a minimum of 2 years experience working with editing or some kind of content review. Of course, you have to have great written and verbal communication skills with the great use of grammar and spelling. And they want somebody who's familiar with security awareness fundamentals. Now, if this sounds like something for you, if you've worked in the IT or computer security field, they are paying anywhere from $50,000 to $55,000 a year. Of course, they're offering standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.